Hello friends, a very good afternoon to all of you and welcome back once again on the YouTube channel of BYJU'S Exam Prep. I'm Gourav Gupta and today we'll be continuing in this session of 500 most expected QA questions part number 27. So previously we have already conducted 26 sessions in 500 most expected QA questions in which we have discussed the questions of the QA section for all the students who are preparing for CAT examination. Now all these questions were like among some of the most expected questions that can appear in your entrance examinations like CAT, SNAP, Narsimonji, and MAT, and so on and so forth. I hope I'm clearly visible and audible to all of you, and we are good to start this session, right? Okay, wonderful. So, friends, good afternoon. Hello, Samruddhi. Hello, everyone. Okay, so in these sessions, like if I talk about the previous ones, what we do is we discuss the questions one by one. I have selected some of the questions. These are some handpicked questions, not from the previous year paper questions of CAT, but these questions are originally made by us on the pattern from which the questions have been earlier asked in CAT examinations. Okay? So all of you, I hope you are all ready. I can see a lot of names who have been attending these sessions regularly. Okay, Saket, a very good afternoon to you. All right, chaliye. तो start करते हैं. We'll be solving all these questions one by one, as you all know. Okay, so I'll be displaying one question. I will be giving you probably 1 minute to understand to solve that question, and then after that, I'll be discussing the entire solution of that question. So without wasting any time, let's quickly begin solving these questions. Okay, chaliye. So first question will appear on your screen in a few moments. All of you must be ready with your rough sheets and a pen. Okay, chaliye. Start karte hain. So first question now. To start with a very basic question of profit and loss, you will have 1 minute to answer this question. 1 minute. Yes. Hi, Shraddha. We have already started. So first question on your screen. Karan gained 5% in a transaction. If the article was sold for rupees 450 more, so Karan must have sold it at some value. Now, if he sell the article at 450 rupees more than what he has sold earlier, he could have gained 11%, right? So at what price must Karan sell the article to gain a total of 17%? Quickly select your answer among the options which are given at the bottom of the question. Now try to use the shortest possible way of doing this question. Try to write as much less as possible as a part of the work. Okay, Saket has given the answer as option A. Now Saket again has given the answer as option B. Okay. Chaliye, start karte hain. Now, earlier the profit was 5% and now the profit is 11%. So the profit has increased by 6%. Profit is calculated on cost price. So I can say that increase is 6% of cost price. And why it has increased? Because my selling price has increased by 450. So I can equate it to 450 and get the value of the cost price of this article. Right? Simple. So cost price kitna aa raha hai? Anyone would like to write the cost price? So cost price, 6% of cost price is 450. So the cost price will come out to be 7,500. A very simple calculation. Cost price पता लग गया? अब मुझे क्या करना है? मुझे profit gain करना है. Okay, so profit of 17%. So cost price is 7,500. Profit which is 17%. So I'll calculate 17% of this. Okay. Now you can calculate 17% of this number in many ways. So what I'll do is I'll calculate 20%, then I'll minus subtract 3%. So 20% इस number का क्या होगा? 1500. minus 3% will be 225. So the profit will be 1275. So 1275 का profit हो गया. So the selling price will be 7500 plus 1275, that is 8775. So if you sell the article at 8775, it will be giving him a 17% profit. Yes, so Saket and Shubham have given correct answer. Shrujana, option D. Okay, wonderful. So cost price, yes, 7500 is absolutely correct. And on that, if I calculate profit and add it to the cost price, I'll get the selling price, which is option D, that is 8775. Okay, chale aage. Next question. So the correct answer here is option D. All of you be ready for the next question. Question number 2 on your screen now. A question based on logarithms. Now, once again, if you are in touch with logarithms, then you can do this question orally as well without writing anything. Yes, I'm serious. So you can find the value of x without writing even a single word. Okay. So let's see the way you are going to do it. Once I get an answer from any one of you, I'll be also telling you one way in which we can solve it a little easier, a little faster by the usage of options. So I'll be giving you two different techniques to solve this one. Now, first of all, the rule or the concept that will be applied here in this question will be, if you are given that log of a to the base b is equal to c, then you can write that a is equal to b raised to the power c. Okay, a is equal to b raised to the power c. This is what you can write if you are given log a to the base b is equal to c. Now, in the given equation, log of something to the base 4 is half. Okay, so this something can be written as 4 raised to the power half. 4 raised to the power half will be equal to 2. Alright. So ये जो लाइन ये जो पोर्शन अंडरलाइन किया है मैंने, इसका वैल्यू कितना आ जाएगा? It will be equal to 2. Now if this value is equal to 2, I'm writing as much less as possible. So if the underlying portion is equal to 2, then this part will be equal to 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So the portion that I've circled with green color will be equal to 1. Alright, fine. Now, since this is equal to 1, now I'll write it for your convenience. Log of something to the base 3, which is circled, is equal to 1. So this something part will be equal to 3 raised to the power 1. This something part will be equal to 3 raised to the power 1 using this formula, right? So this is basically 5 minus log of x minus 30 to the base 12. I'll write it completely, 5 minus log of x minus 30 to the base 12 is equal to 3. So log of 30, log of x minus 30 to the base 12 will be equal to 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. So from here, x minus 30 will be equal to 12 square, that is 144. And the value of x will come out to be 144 plus 30, that is 174. Okay, so 174 will be the correct answer for this question. Fine, okay. So you can mark your answer as option D and move on to the next question. So some of you, Saket, Shrujana, again, 3 people who are continuously responding. So 3 of you are absolutely correct. Okay. Now we're talking about another way of solving this question. Now observe this portion, this part of this question. This is log of x minus 30 to the base 12. Okay. Now I'll go through the options. Generally, the value inside this bracket x minus 30, since the base is 12, so generally this value is a power of 12. Then only you'll be able to get an integral answer. ठीक है? हाँ? So x minus 30 का value जो है वो 12 या 12 का कोई भी power होगा, then we'll be able to proceed and we'll be getting the integral answer on the left hand side, integral values on the left hand side. ठीक है? So this is one of the ways using which you can shortlist the options. Obviously, you will not be putting every option and solving the entire left hand side for every option. No, it will be a little lengthy. So if you want an option to start with this, okay, so select an option such that the value of x minus 30 is any power of 12. कोई भी 12 की पावर हो. So 114 minus 30 is 84. 84 is not a power of 12. 134 minus 30 is 104. Again, not a power of 12. 154 minus 30 is 124. Not a power of 12. Finally, 174 minus 30 is 144. 144 is the power of 12. Okay. So this part becomes 144. 144 is 12 square. So this entire part will become 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Log of 3 to the base 3 will be 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So finally log of 2 to the base 4 bachta hai, which will be equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. So I have shortlisted an option. Now it's obviously it's good to check that option for the entire expression. Okay. So इस ऑप्शन को यूज करके पूरी एक्सप्रेशन का वैल्यू जरूर कैलकुलेट करना है, क्रॉस चेक जरूर करना है. Otherwise, there might probably there might be some trick involved. So it's better to cross check your answer and then mark it. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move on to the next question, question number 3. Question number 3, easy question of time and work. Again, less than 30 seconds में answer आ सकता है. Let's see how many of you can give it to me in less than 30 seconds. 9 women and 3 men complete work in 12 days. Each woman takes thrice as much time a man takes to complete the same amount of work. In how many days will 9 men complete the same work? Any answer for this? Saket says option A is the correct answer. Shraddha also goes for option A. Samruddhi also goes for option A. Nice. Chalo, start kare. Question says that 9 women with 3 men can finish the work in 12 days. Okay. Also, each woman takes thrice as much time a man takes to complete the work. So, since one woman takes 3 times as much time, I can say that the efficiency of a woman will be 1/3 the efficiency of one man. All right. So, it is given that 3 women are equivalent to 1 man. Okay, so work done by 3 women will be equal to work done by 1 man. In the equation, we have 9 women. So I can say that if 3 women are equivalent to 1 man, so 9 women will be equivalent to 3 men. I will replace that. So 9 women की जगह 3 men से replacement कर देंगे. So this will become 3 men plus 3 men, that is 6 men can finish the entire work in 12 days. All right. What do we have to find out? We have to find out the number of days taken by 9 men. So 9 men कितने days में काम करेंगे? Now since workforce and the number of days are inversely proportional to each other, their product should remain constant. So 6 into 12, the product here is 72. So to make the product in the second case as 72, number of days required will be 8. So 9 into 8 is also 72. So the number of days required for 9 men to finish the work will be 8 days. That is option B. And Shubham has given the correct answer. Option B, 8 days is the correct answer for question number 3. All right. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, all of you. probability. Set n consists of all natural numbers from 1 to 10. Two numbers are selected at random from this set. Find the probability that one of these numbers is twice the other. Yes, any answer? Guys, ये तो easy question है. There are 10 natural numbers starting from 1 to 10. We are selecting two numbers from this set. Okay. So the denominator, the sample space will be 10C2. All right. Number of ways of selecting any two numbers out of 10 numbers. It will be 10C2. 10C2 का value कितना होता है? 10 into 9 divided by 2, that is 45. So our denominator will be 45. So there are total 45 ways in which two numbers can be selected out of 10 numbers. Now, we need to find out the probability that one number is twice the other. So how many possibilities can be there? So 1 and 2. One of the numbers is twice the other. So 2 is 1 multiplied by 2. The other possibility can be, the numbers can be 2 and 4. It can be 3 and 6. It can be 4 and 8. It can be 5 and 10. So these are the 5 ways in which if I select two numbers, one of the numbers will be double the other number. Okay. So the favorable number of cases will be 5 and the total number of cases, that is sample space, is 45. So the probability will become 5 divided by 45, that is 1 upon 9. Okay, so 1 upon 9, that is option C is the correct answer. So Shubham, Saket, two of you have given once again the correct answer. Now all the students who are attending this lecture, I can see there are more than 10-15 students. There are around 10-15 students who are attending this session live. Okay, if you are here present attending the session in the live format and you are not solving these questions, so understand that you are not doing anything good for yourself. Okay, so you are investing your time. It will be better if you will solve your questions, solve all these questions and post your answers in the chat box. Answer post karo. Why are you scared? Even if the answer is incorrect, you have nothing to lose here. Okay, so make sure that you are solving, and whatever you are getting the answer, whatever answer you are getting, you must post that answer in the chat box. Okay. Okay. So next question, question number 5. I want all the students who are present here to give me an answer for this. Question number 5 on your screen now. In a class, there are 50 students. Their weights are measured and the average came out to be 65 kg. After inspection, it was found that the weighing machine was calibrated erroneously and was showing 8 1 by 3 percentage more than the actual weight. So now you'll have to find out the correct average weight of the entire class. Yes, any answer? So weighing machine was like there was an error and it was showing 8 1 by 3 percentage more than the actual weight. Now here comes the usage of remembering percentage equivalents of fractions. 8 1 by 3 percentage. Now, what is the fractional equivalent of this? What is the fractional equivalent of this one? The fractional equivalent of this is anyone? Anyone would like to write the fractional equivalent of 8 1 by 3? Okay, so I'll write it as 1 upon 12. So 8 1 by 3 percentage is equal to 1 upon 12, right? Now, there are 50 students, their weights are measured and the average came out to be 65 kgs. So basically we must have took the weights of every student and then we would have calculated their sum, divided it by number of students to get the average as 65 kgs. Now after inspection it was found that the weighing machine had an error and it was showing 8 1 by 3 percentage more for every person. So for every person it has shown 8 1 by 3 percentage more. So if all these weights are corrected, okay, if all these weights are corrected, I can say that the weight of every person will reduce by the same percentage. Okay, so it will reduce by the same percentage and same will be the effect on the entire average. Okay, so I can say that the average that we have obtained 65, it is 8 1 by 3 percentage more than the correct average. So if I'll assume that A is the correct average, then A plus 8 1 by 3 percentage of A is equal to the wrong average, which is 65, because it is showing 8 1 by 3 more than the actual weight. Okay, right? So actual plus 8 1 by 3 percentage of the actual average is equal to 65. Now you'll have to solve for A. So I can first of all convert it in terms of fractions. A plus A by 12 is equal to 65. 13a upon 12 is 65. Now 13 into 5 is 65. So cancel ho jayega 5. 12 into 5 is 60. So the correct average of this entire class is equal to 60 and that is option B. So option B, it is the correct answer for this question. All right, fine. So question number 5, option B, language. It's just that you need to understand the language. Some of you might have done might have subtracted 8 1 by 3 percentage of 65. नहीं, 65 को हमें 8 1 by 3 से reduce नहीं करना. 65 is the value obtained, which is 8 1 by 3 percentage more than the actual value. Okay, there is a difference between these two statements. All right, so that was question number 5. Answer option B, that is 60. Let's move on to the next question, question number 6. Slightly tricky question. When a 3-digit number is multiplied by x, the 3-digit number repeats itself to give a 6-digit number. If the 3 digits has all distinct digits, okay, so if this 3-digit number has all distinct digits, then the number of factors of x is equal to how much? Shubham, for the previous, I have mentioned that the answer will not be 65 when reduced by 8 1 by 3 percentage. No, 65 is obtained when the correct average is increased by 8 1 by 3 percentage. So correct average plus 8 1 by 3 percentage of that is equal to 65. Okay. Rajkumar, we can put 25 by 3 percentage. Absolutely. Now, Rajkumar, if you would have solved 23, sorry, 25 upon 3 percentage, इसको अगर simplify करोगे, you will get 1 upon 12 only. Okay, वो 1 upon 12 भी आएगा simplify करने के बाद. The beauty of remembering these fractions directly is it will help you in saving your time. So आप 25 upon 3 percentage put कर सकते हो, but the result will be the same. So in this case, first of all, you'll have to find out the value of x. X का value find out करना पड़ेगा. and then you will be able to calculate the number of factors of x. Okay. Now it says when a three-digit number is multiplied by x. So let's say the three-digit number I can assume as ABC. This is when multiplied by x, the result is a six-digit number where this three-digit number repeats itself. So the result is ABC, ABC. All right. Now you can consider any random three-digit number as well. It will give you the same result. So I can write the value of x as ABC, ABC divided by ABC. As an example, I can take it as 234, 234 divided by 234. Okay, देखने में आसान लगेगा. So x की value find out हो जाएगी यहाँ से. If you do the division, you will get 1001. 1001 will be the value of x. Now 1001 can be written as 7 into 11 into 13. So 7 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 11 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 13 raised to the power 1. Okay. Now we'll have to find out the number of factors of x. So number of factors of x will be, ये जो powers हैं इन सब में 1 1 add कर दो. So 1 plus 1 is 2 into 2 into 2. So the number of factors of this number will be equal to 8. Okay. Number of factors of this number will be equal to 8. Saket, it is 7 into 11 into 13. Okay, 7 into 11 into 13. So the number of factors of this number will be equal to 8. That is option C. Okay. चलिए next question पे चलते हैं. Question number 7. Question number 7, a question of coordinate geometry. Find the area of triangle formed by the three straight lines. 2x plus 3y equal to 5, 3x plus 2y equal to 5, 4x plus y equal to 5. So these are three lines which are given. And once you will plot them on the coordinate axis, they may form a triangle, and you will have to find out the area of that triangle. Victor, I mentioned that you could have assumed any random number. Okay, so 415 415 upon 415. अगर ये भी solve करोगे, it will give you 1001 as an answer. Okay, so every every three-digit number will show this thing, show this property. So find the area of the triangle formed by the three straight lines which are given on your screen. The equations are given. Okay. Now the best method is find out the intersection points of these three lines. Okay, intersection point calculate karte hain. So first of all, I'll take first two lines. 2x plus 3y equals 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 5. I'll multiply first equation by 3, second equation by 2. अब solve करना है इन दोनों equations को. These are linear equations in two variables. Just need to solve them. So 6x minus 6x is 0. 9y minus 4y is 5y. 15 minus 10 is 5. So the value of y comes out to be 1. Okay. Now substituting this value of y in any of the above equations, I'll get x is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So x का value भी 1 आ गया. So 1 comma 1 is the point of intersection of the first two lines. Okay, right? So first two lines intersects at 1 comma 1. Now if you'll consider the second and third line, okay, so 3x plus 2y equal to 5, 4x plus y equal to 5. So I'll write them once again. 3x plus 2y equals 5. And third equation, this one, I'll multiply it by 2 and we'll write it. Okay. So 4x plus y equal to 5 को 2 से multiply कर देते हैं. So it will become 8x plus 2y is equal to 10. Subtracting, I'll get the value of x once again as 1 and the value of y will also be 1, right? So first two lines are intersecting at a point and this point is same at which the second and third line are intersecting. So I can say that these three lines are intersecting at the same point. Okay. Now, if all the three lines are intersecting at the same point, I can say that they will not form a triangle. So option D, no triangle can be formed with these straight lines. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. All right. Simple, because the point of intersection is same for all the three lines and hence no triangle will be formed and hence area will be either 0 or if the option has no triangle can be formed with these straight lines, you can straight away mark that answer. Okay. In absence of option D, if there would have been option as 0, 0 is the area. So yes, you could have also marked that option as your answer. All right. So that was question number 7. Let's move on. Look at the next question. All right. So that is all. So 7 questions in this lecture. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. You can unlock your free trial on the portal of BYJU'S Exam Prep by visiting our application, unlocking your 3-day free trial access by entering your mobile number on our application and clicking Start Free Trial. Now, this will get you a 3-day free access to the portal. So the students who are planning to join and they want to have a feel of what all things will be available to you on your online portal, then they can try this feature. Okay. You can enroll for our CAT 2023 and other MBA entrance examinations test series. So it is already live with 80 plus mock papers, 1000 practice questions. There will be topic tests covering all the subtopics, video solution of all CAT mock papers with detailed mock analysis. So be a part of this and start your preparation. Okay. Rajkumar is asking 8.33 or 25 by 3. I couldn't get explain. Rajkumar, 25 by 3 अगर solve करोगे it will give you 8.33 only. Okay. This is the list of our CAT 2022 toppers. Also, friends, new batches are available. You can enroll in CAT 2023 comprehensive program. On your screen, you can see all the details of this program, right? So look at these details and enroll in CAT 2023 program. Also, for aspirants of CAT 2023, there is a free all India open mock that has already started. It is live starting from 8th of September and it will be live up till 17th September. So anyone who has not yet registered for this free all India open mock for CAT 2023, go ahead, visit our application and register for this test, register for this mock paper and do write it. Also, you can get up to 90% scholarship on all our CAT preparation programs. The scholarship test is being conducted, like RG's test conduct हुआ है 10th of September. Yes, so if you have missed it, no worries at all. You will get to take this scholarship test in the near future. We'll be again conducting these scholarship tests. So these are a good way of scoring 90% scholarship on all CAT preparation programs. My dear friends, on 14th of September, we are conducting a session in which all 4 of us will be present and you can ask us anything related to your preparation for MBA entrance examinations. So on 14th September at 3 p.m., all 4 of us will be live together to answer all your queries related to MBA entrance examinations. So please, like whatever query, whatever confusion that you have in your mind, please be ready with all those queries to ask at 3 p.m. on 14th of September. All right. How you can manage your preparation with job studies. A wonderful session for CAT 2024 aspirants will be live on the YouTube channel of BYJU'S Exam Prep on 17th of September at 11 a.m. So please do register for this live interactive workshop. No, this will not be conducted on YouTube, but this will be on our application. So Srinivas sir will be clearing all your doubts in case you have any reservation, in case you have any kind of doubt in your mind about the preparation along with job or studies. Okay. So friends, that's all from my side. You can get social with us on all these social media platforms. Thank you very much for being a part of this session. Have a wonderful time preparing for your